Hi, hello, this is Naresh again. Welcome to Naresh Designs. Now I'm going to teach you, just hold it mouse, quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Okay, quick selection tool, magic wand. Like quick selection tool, how to use quick selection tool and how to use magic wand tool. The same thing, I just took one image. You can also take one, whatever you like images, like your own images, and you want to take a celebrity image, whatever, just control open it and select the image and get it here. I just already taken one image. Okay, now just quick selection tool, shortcut key is the W. Okay, shortcut key W. You just click it here, the option bar, this shows here like different options: new selection and add to selection and subtract from the selection. This is here while showing two, right here, the size. Okay, size, hardness and spacing. Like size means like this is like we can increase the size, it will shows here. Okay, see here like this. Okay, just I don't need that much of size, just enough of this. Okay, I want to select hardness, just put it to what you like. Now hardness means like it will come very hard and smooth, just keep it here, and spacing here. Okay, I want select quick selection tool with this image only, particular this image I want to select it, just drag it here, hold the mouse rightly and drag it here. Okay, it will select here. This is there subtract, right? Because see this new add to selection, it will add here. Okay, you want subtract it or selection, you don't need any selection here, you just subtract it, it will goes here. Okay, see here selecting, but I need to add this entire image. Just go to here, it's added, right? See everything, you just select it, it will add here. Okay, it's selected. Okay, here it's everything is selected here. You want to separate this image from the background, or you want to delete it, that's your wish. Okay, just press keyboard delete option, it will delete automatically. Okay, it will come green because the foreground is here green. Just control Z alt it, and here the layers, just background is lock, you want to unlock it. Okay, just double click it, layer 00, it will come, just unlock the layer, and now you can delete it. Okay, it will shows normal background. Okay, nothing is there in background. Okay, you want to put something image, you want to put other image here, just keep it and put it here, just control Z is option. Okay, now just deselect it. Okay, this is the quick selection tool. You want to select it and you want to remove the image, and you want to just move the image and delete it. You want whatever you want to do is you can just do from the selection tool. Okay, quick selection tool. Next option is magic wand tool, just control D, select, just click the magic wand tool, the whatever rectangular tool will come here, rectangular macro tool, the same options will come like add to new selection, subtract and intersect everything. Okay, pan sample by 3 average and everything here. The tolerance means like RGB colors. Suppose 15, now I just keep it here, just click it here. Okay, whatever the white color is there, it's selecting here, whatever color balance is there, it automatically select magic wand tool. Okay, like control D, deselect, and tolerance I just keep it 45 or 50, whatever you require, just click it here. See, it's everything is selecting here. Again control D, just 75 it, just click it here, it's selected here. Okay, see, whatever the colors are including the body and background, everything it's selecting here. Okay, control D, just keep it, want just 15 tolerance, just click it here, delete it. Okay, it's deleting. Okay, right, control Z, control alt Z is undo, double undo. Okay, want anything like just background is white is there, and only different colors are there in background of your image, you want to delete that particular area, it will useful, very useful, quick selection tool and magic wand tool. Okay, quick selection tool, what you want to delete it exactly thing, that will select, and you just select that what you want this particular area and delete it. Okay, or move it to other area, and you want only separate different colors are there in that, you want to select only particular color. Okay, it will just click it here, it will selected that area, magic wand tool, just delete it. Okay, this will come normally. Okay, after that you want to keep it in other this image location, just shift it to other location, just add it to the background, other images and everything. Okay, this everything like tolerance is very important magic wand tool. Okay, if you click 100% tolerant and 149% like 100%, just see the 100% tolerance, just click it here and selecting here. See this, all the image is selecting automatically, totally maximum 75% it's selecting the image, but you just keep it 20%. This is tolerance, just select here and select here what you want to select, only the background white is there, it select automatically, just delete it. Okay, deselected this. I hope you guys are understood this selection tool and magic wand tool. Okay, thank you for watching.